Welcome to Melt for hip pain. The hip joint is small, but its motion is vital to efficiently transmit load from our upper to lower body when we move. Whether your hip pain is caused by repetitive stress or an inflammatory issue like arthritis, tendonitis, or fasciitis, I've devised this melt map to restore stability and mobility in your hips and improve neuropore control. If you're considering a hip replacement or trying to avoid one, or you frequently experience hip pain at night, there's other indirect treatments to try first, like in the lower body stability sequences. And one of the sneaky culprits to hip pain is restriction in rib motion. So try the upper body compression sequence too. This direct map should be done a maximum of 3 times a week for best results. Enjoy and happy melting.